Hello, my lovely viewers. On behalf of the returnees, today we are bringing you close to learning the African Ghanaian traditional way of washing clothes. My name always Kofi. Currently, I'm in a community known as Medina Estate, a suburb of Accra. I have with me a fine lady who will soon introduce herself to our lovely viewers and take us through the process of Ghanaian traditional way of washing clothes. As you can see right here, we have packed clothes which are dirty and selected according to colors. And then also, I'll take you close to basins. Here where we have a basin containing a soapy water, and then the other basin containing just water. I will take you close to my lovely sister to tell us about herself and then take us through the process of washing in Ghana. Hello. Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine. Okay, I'm Mia from Medina, and I'll take you through the steps of washing in Ghana, Africa. First, you arrange the clothes according to colors, similar colors. Then, 2 bowls of water, one soapy and the other non-soapy for rinsing, and the soapy one for washing. So I'll just rub the clothes for a while, especially the neckline, the armpit, and the hem, because those are the parts that stains a lot. So after rubbing for a while, I just squeeze the water out, then place it in the non-soapy water for rinsing. Then afterwards, I just dry it on the dry line. So that's all for now.
So, my lovely viewers, we just learned a lot on how in Western Ghana, traditionally, clothes are being washed. And I can tell you, before these clothes get to the drying line, it must have almost worn out or loose. This method has been in existence since before Methuselah was born. Medase. See you again in the next video. Bye-bye.
Before that show, I can't follow, give an applause.